Hello everybody, welcome to NEET Simplified. Welcome to this only zone where your NEET preparation becomes very simple so that you can understand and also answer your questions clearly and easily. So today we are going to dive into one really important and exam friendly chapters, and that is nothing but sexual reproduction in the flowering plants. I know there are really difficult terms involved in this chapter like this ovule, anther, gametophyte, sporogenesis. There are really complicated terms in this, isn't it? Don't worry, we are here to simplify that. The interesting part is the microscopic world which is present inside the flower and is acting with insane coordination so that the reproduction of the flowering plants continue so that their generation can progress. So let's understand this chapter very quickly, beginning with the floral organs, and very quickly let's see what are those. Coming to the first one, we have got the sepals, and we all know these are the outermost whorl of the flower, isn't it? We have got the floral organs arranged in four whorls, the outermost whorl being the sepals, and the collective terms for all these sepals we call that as calyx. So you can see the sepals. These are the outermost parts of the flower. And now coming to the most attractive part, the petals, the beautiful, the colorful parts of the flower, which are nothing but doing what? They are attracting the pollinators. And why is that happening? For the reproduction to go on, isn't it? So the petals, we call the petals collectively as corolla. You can see petals, the colorful parts here. Now coming to the reproductive parts which are present inner to the corolla. What are those? The first one being the male reproductive organ, right? We have the stamen, as you can see here, the stamen. Right now, in the stamen, we are finding a long stalk-like structure which is called as a filament. Now, you have the anther, which is going to generate the pollen. Now, all these stamens put together, we call that as Androecium. Now moving to the next one, the gynoecium. Now what is this? Gynoecium is the female part of the flower, the female reproductive part. And now gynoecium is nothing but all the pistils put together. Like we have stamen in case of the male reproductive organ, we call that as pistil. The female reproductive organ is the pistil in a flower, and all the pistils put together is called as the gynoecium. Now in the pistil, we are going to find ovary, a style, and the stigma. Now all these floral organs are seated on the thalamus, as you can see here, and there is a stack beneath this thalamus which is called as the pedicel, as you can find in the diagram. As you can see here, now this is what we all already understood about, isn't it? We all know at least something about it. Now let's dive deeper into each of the organs and understand the importance of it, and also what are the roles they play in the reproduction. Now moving to the most essential organs for the reproduction. Now we have seen calyx and corolla as well, which are acting as protection and also attraction respectively. Right. Now for the reproduction to happen, we need the male and the female reproductive organs, which are termed as essential for the reproduction to happen. Now coming to the first one, we have, as we have discussed earlier, the male reproductive organ, the stamen, which has a filament, the long filament, and anther, which is going to generate pollen. Now coming to the female side, we have the pistil, which is the female reproductive part containing ovary, style, and stigma. And now this stigma is going to act as the receptacle for the pollen. Now moving to understand about the reason behind the formation of these flowers, right? We understood we need the generation of these beautiful flowers to go ahead. We don't want that to stop, right? So for that reason, yes, the flowers are formed. But how is this happening? This is something to understand very clearly, isn't it? Now, whenever you look at a plant, you have a shoot and a root very clearly. The shoot contains stem and leaves, right? So, the leaves are present on the stem, but you suddenly see the formation of flowers, isn't it? Now, this happens in the reproductive phase of a plant. In the reproductive phase of a plant, there are certain changes happening. We have certain hormonal and structural changes happening in the shoot apical meristem. In this region, you will see certain changes that are taking place, which are converting these cells to form floral meristem. So instead of forming leaves in the reproductive phase, you will see that this meristem, shoot apical meristem, is giving rise to the flowers. Hence, the reproduction goes on. And now this process where the cells of the shoot apical meristem are forming the flowers, isn't it? And this process is called as differentiation, right? So this is about the introduction of this entire chapter. We are going to find much more details in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe to us to get more simplified concepts, and keep learning, keep believing in yourself. Don't worry, your dreams are not too far. So follow us on Instagram as well. Get your concepts simplified and get your dreams come true. Thank you.